right, let's go. Takes the corner nicely. Wow. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are driving the 2011 Nissan Maxima SV. I want to say a thank you to York Auto guys for providing me this car. Let's start her up and begin our test drive. It's been a while since I drove this body style. I had a 2017 myself, and I greatly enjoyed the Maxima. I put about 50,000 miles on her in 2 years and had absolutely zero issues whatsoever throughout my ownership of the car. And same goes for the Altima that I owned. No problem whatsoever. Let's check out the back seat. Getting in the back here, I'm 6'2". There's good space for my legs, but a little bit tight on the headroom. It's not bad though. We got the rear climate vents, the cup holders, and the materials here feel very Infiniti-like. So they literally feel like the same leather that you would find in the G35 or G37. Nicely stitched, good soft touch materials everywhere along the cabin. Very nice. Let's look at the trunk. A nicely sized trunk that can fit a few large suitcases with ease. But the best part about this Maxima is under the hood. Here we got the 3.5 liter VQ35 engine that pumps out around 300 horsepower. And they're very sturdy, reliable engines. They can go for super long. Some people have complained about CVTs in these cars. I've personally never experienced an issue with a CVT in the Altima or the Maxima, so I can't relate. I've had a flawless ownership. And in regards to the design, I think this is one of the best looking Maximas that was ever released. When I first saw this car, it was like a black on black on the road. It really impressed me. I was like, what is that car? That's a Maxima? Yeah, that car is gorgeous. We've got nice storage cubbies, useful space, our owner's manual, dual zone climate control. Oh, we got actually, yeah, take that off first. Then we can go mode and adjust whatever way we want to. We also have heated seats and a heated steering wheel as well. I think that is super cool to have. We got our wiper test, our horn test, and a sunroof. We got the visor extensions here, holder for the glasses, our lights, and an auto dimming home mirror. But let's get to the test drive. I really like these older CVTs and these Nissans because they don't imitate any fake shifts. And I personally do not like fake shifts. And this one does not imitate any of that. So setting off in this Maxima, I'm impressed by how comfortable and relaxed these front seats are. There's a lot of space. I'm feeling very cozy. And this cabin is spacious, so there is a lot of space here. It doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. The brakes are not bad, but they are a little bit to the lighter side, a little soggier side. But she can pull. She can definitely pull. The ride is comfy, smooth, but we can still feel the road well. So I know what kind of steering input to give, and the car listens very well. We also have the sport mode here. Yeah, that's the DS. And I believe in this mode, it will imitate the shifts, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll try that out and see. Takes the corner nicely. Wow. This Maxima has some power. There's also a kickdown switch at the end of the pedal that you can press, and the car will accelerate at its full potential rate. Oh, yeah. It is low to the ground, so be careful of that. This is some impressive power. It just clings to redline and it pulls like a train. For 2009, these are phenomenal dynamics, and for today's day too. You'll have no problem passing anyone in this car. All right, let's go. All right, let's see our times. So we did 0 to 60 in 6.07 seconds. 0 to 62 came at 6.34. And the 1/8 mile came in 9.38 at 76 miles an hour. I gotta say, this is probably the quickest Maxima of this age that I've ever encountered, ever. Like, wow. But let's make a U-turn and try this one more time, because I am genuinely curious what's up with the time. Let's do this one more time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right. And we did 0 to 60 in 6.17 valid with wheel spin. 0 to 62, which is 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, came at 6.41. And and the 1/8 mile came at 9.4 at 81.18 miles an hour. Okay, wait a sec. We gotta do the 0 to 60 one more time. All right, let's go. And this time we did 5.98. So we broke the 6-second barrier. And we did 0 to 62 in 6.25 seconds. Wow. That is faster than any new Maxima that I've recently tested by far. If this is stock, then I don't know what to say, because this car moves. It moves fast. But let's try sport mode now. See what kind of difference that makes. Yeah, it starts to simulate the shifts in sport, which we don't want. Honestly, it's so surprising to me how every Maxima that I've tested has been different. Some drive better, some drive worse, some barely make it to 7 seconds, some are under 6 seconds. And given the mileage of this car, it's 133,000, and just by looking at it, you may not think it's the cleanest car mechanically, but it moves like there's no tomorrow. It moves like a freight train, especially given its price and age. All this beast needs is just some good tires, and that's it. It's rocking. What a solid performer. The cabin insulation is pretty good, although you can hear the engine and the road slightly more than in a German luxury sedan, but still, this is great. What an enjoyable car this is. I like the way it cars up corners, sits nicely. See how it does over the rail tracks. Very good. Just 30% throttle yields very good acceleration. I don't even have to press it much. Like just like right here, and it starts to go. Wow. Oh my. This car puts a smile on my face. I love the way it rides. It's like the perfect suspension. Not too soft, not too stiff. And I can hear that V6 growl. And the CVT, not intrusive at all. I actually like the way the CVT sounds and how it works. They should have just kept what they were doing in 2009, seriously. This drives better than the newer ones, in my opinion. Not a joke. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Until next time.